So we're here with the Lifecast Vivian mannequin, and we've come to the University of Greenwich to use their sim suite. And we're just going to talk through some of the layering, as we would describe it, of simulation. So this is our older lady mannequin, most commonly called Vivian. And you'll see that we've got a pair of glasses on to make her look a little bit more human. We've got earrings in. We've got oxygen on with the reservoir bag full, as it would be in the real world. We've got monitoring, both cardiac monitoring and SATS probe, and we've attached her to an iSimulate unit, and I've just changed the colour between the dark screen going on to the white screen so I can see the screen a little bit better. As we build the realism in our simulation, there's things for us to continually add to the mannequin to give her some personality, but also to help build our scenarios. A lot of what we're doing within Lifecast is trying to get our mannequins to be as realistic as we can, both in the way that they move for things like cannulation, so again using wrist bend and rotation to bring up vessels, but also in their general appearance and in the monitoring solutions that we use with each of the mannequins. One of the important pieces around the Lifecast mannequins is that there's no technology inside them at all. And the way that we're able to build on layers within the mannequin and the simulation is by using an iSimulate unit. Now in this case, all I've got is actually an iPad Pro sitting in the front of an empty case. And all of the vital signs on that iPad Pro are controlled by this iPad Pro. So if I want to change the monitor as an example and give the students a core pulse device to use, then I can easily flip over the screen on the monitor. And the great thing is that these two iPads are talking to each other using Wi-Fi, and all of the leads and everything going in and out of the patient are completely fake. That allows us to put this mannequin in a bathtub, in a shower, to take her outside to train, and to put her in a lot of environments. We can do washing and hygiene, and laying out the dead, and anything else we would choose to do with a mannequin that doesn't have technology on the inside of it. It allows us to keep the price down and to make our simulations very modular. This iSimulate unit could be used on a pediatric mannequin or a neonate mannequin just as easily as it could on the older people mannequin, or we could use it on standardized patients, on actors or actresses. So by blending all of these bits together, we make very, very realistic scenarios. You'll hear the beeping going on as an example, and you can hear background noise because we're training in a simulation center that has background noise. And that's quite important, that we don't always train in lovely quiet environments. I am required to raise my voice. All of those are important component parts of simulation.